Note the droplet distribution on the posterior scales.
Confirmed. The hydrophobic coating is consistent.
A little higher on your side.
How did that look?
Perfect. Let's hope it dries evenly this time.
Okay, pull the head section to the left by 3 millimeters.
Got it. Securing clamp 5.
The alignment points are holding steady.
Pressure calibration looks good across the dorsal curve.
Aligning with the chamber now. Keep the strap steady.
Got it. Looks good for entry.
Pressure at optimal range. Approaching contact.
Acknowledged. Thermal regulators holding steady.
The pressure is stabilizing nicely at 500 psi.
Acknowledged. The heat distribution is also uniform.
Pressure is peaking at 40,000 psi.
Uniformity scan is green, but the heat signature is rising faster than expected.
Look at the compression readout here. Optimal flattening achieved. The scale pattern is flawless.
We're hitting the target temperature now.
Confirmed. The cooling cycle is stable.
Ready to lift. All right, easy now. Keep it level as we move towards the table.
The green indicates perfect compression here.
But we have some red spots near the center.
Minor adjustments needed.
Tracking is stable at 99% completion.
Pressure levels look good on the contour.
Capture this section here, near the blue marker.
Zooming in now, the scales look perfect under magnification.
softness metric 9.5, right within tolerance.
Flexibility is holding steady at A+. Final sign off.